Hi, I'm Alex, and thanks for downloading the Cephable for Windows app. In this quick tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to install the app once you've downloaded it. If you go to the Cephable for Windows page, your app setup should automatically download, and it should show up in your Downloads folder in File Explorer. However, if it didn't automatically, based off of your browser, then you can also go ahead and click this Start Your Download Now link right here, which will manually go ahead and download it. So I'll do that now and show you then how to run the executable file to install the app. So now that my app is downloaded from the browser, I can open up my File Explorer, and then I'll see this Cephable setup executable file here. All you have to do is double click to get started. Now, some people might see this screen, the Microsoft Defender Smart Screen, telling you that it's an unrecognized app and warning you not to install it. This is because the Cephable app is new and not enough people have necessarily installed it on different computers in order for Windows to trust it. If you're not seeing this, then great. You don't have to worry about it. But if you ever do run into this due to your Windows firewall protection setup based on your computer, then all you have to do is click this More Info, validate that it's signed and published by Enabled Play, our company, what it was previously known as before Cephable, and then go ahead and click the Run Anyway to install it. So this will run the installer, which will pop up a little animation. Sometimes it's pretty quick and you might not even see it, and then it will automatically start the Cephable app. And now that it's installed, I can see Cephable pop right up on my screen, and you can go ahead now and create an account or sign in if you already have one. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials on our website or on our YouTube channel to learn how to do things like create different control profiles, use different apps, use the different inputs like voice controls, face expressions, head movement, and also don't forget to download the companion app on iOS and Android too, so you can unlock even more controls. Lastly, join our different communities. Our Discord server and Facebook groups are great places to share your different ways of using Cephable and to learn more from other users like you and how they're getting the most out of the platform too.